Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. This place is living up to its reputation as one of the noisiest corners of the footballing world. No decibels spared in this collective chorus. Everybody standing for the national anthem of Italy. They have thrown down the gauntlet with that anthem. Now to match it. It is a monster matchup, Jim Begley.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
So it's away we go then. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
I see this guy Pavard as one of the best right-backs in the world. Although he always states his desire to play in a more central position, especially when it comes to carrying the ball forward. He's extremely adept.
Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. What a start, free kick in a dangerous position in the opening minutes. Now it's Bernardeschi. And that is out of play. Intercepts the throw, that's well read. Benzema threads one in. He's shifting through the gears here. Oh, that was vital. There's the shot!
Well, once more, it's him, and we can't be surprised because his instinct for doing this is incredible.
And that was as close to certain as can be.
Well, it's pretty damning on the part of that defence, Peter, that he was allowed so much time and space. But I think you have to give credit where it's due, and it was a brilliant setup and finish.
I doubt very much that this was in the script. Marco Verratti. Gently done. That has been cut short. Now it's Griezmann. Mbappe! Oh, he had to make that, and he did make it. Pellegrini. Nicked it back promptly. Moved on forwards. Italy do love to play with a bit of width, Jim.
Yeah, and just notice the way, when they ping it out wide, the prompt for those in central midfield to make their forward runs, and they're looking to get on the end of whatever arrives.
Pellegrini. The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. France needed that. They really needed it.
Oh, that's brilliantly defended, though. It looked destined for a goal.
Pellegrini. Oh, he couldn't quite make it. Di Lorenzo. Looking for options for movement. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. And it's Benzema. Interesting ball. Oh, it's there! And this is getting better and better. That was the crispest of hits. He just crashed it in.
Yeah, I just thought he made great use of his upper body there. It would have taken something really special to keep that out.
France get themselves a two-goal cushion.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
Belotti. Di Marco. Now Marco Verratti. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Played out towards the right wing. Can he get away here? Benzema. Looking to break out here. And it's Griezmann. Looking for the runner.
Footballing width usually identifies with running room, and we've just seen a prime example.
Dembele. Ball's out, it'll be a throw-in again. And here's Griezmann. It's Griezmann! And more, and more, and more! And they're at it again, in double quick time! A truly wonderful strike, decorated with dip and curl.
You know, I'm not going to be hard on the goalkeeper because that moved all over the place on its journey.
And things are starting to look awfully cosy.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
Chiesa. He could be in here. Oh, that's a key interception. Forwards and with intent.
Benzema really needed to concentrate on protecting the ball. Then again, he was being very closely marshalled.
And they're back on the ball again. Shifted upfield. Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. He's had it nicked away. And that's clear cut, it's a free kick. Coman. Di Lorenzo. Well-timed, excellent interception. Oh, good spread. And now the breakaway. Immobile. Immobile! Outstanding save to keep that out.
Italy were again presented with an opportunity to break and look very, very threatening.
France can counter promptly here. It's Dembele. It's Dembele! Now, who's going to be first to this? Looking here to chip it through. There is the half-time whistle. So you hear the chants of easy, easy, and those are entirely justified. 3-0 after 45 minutes, and it is hard to believe that there won't be more after the break.
This looks well and truly sewn up already, Peter, but please feel free to forget what I've just said if there's a spectacular turnaround.
France are cruising it at half-time, 3-0 ahead. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. Look at the space here. It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. And here's Benzema.
That will annoy the manager. They're making themselves too predictable here.
Di Lorenzo. No, again there's no way through. Fiddles it through. Donnarumma catches it safely. And here's Griezmann. Oh, it's Immobile. Bernardeschi. Move forward and quickly so. And that is as far as they're going to go. Coman. Stood up well to him there. He's a sharp little ball here. Immobile. And that's been drilled in.
Italy making a fresh attempt to release someone in behind from back to front. And this is something different.
It's a goal kick. Benzema, Mbappe, skipping chance! It's run loose, who's going to get there?
That's great defending to cover for the goalkeeper and just get something in the way.
Good spot, he's seen the run. Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. Caught offside that time. Mbappe does really well to win the ball there. Bernardeschi. Oh, no question, that's a foul. Bernardeschi gets flagged offside. Acerbi spots it and intercepts. Coman gets his pass away, and here's Benzema. Brilliantly cut out. Back in possession and ready to go again. He's left his man.
Italy truly seem to be at loggerheads in trying to sort this out. Is it the passing or the movement that's the problem? I think both.
That's been intercepted, and it's played forward. Mbappe. And that could set him on his way. Shot a goal! And that is a truly outstanding save.
France just served up a reminder of how good they can be on the break. Their method is clear.
France have it back and they can go again. Now it's Mbappe. He's a sharp... And the shot! They've done it! Over the hills and far away! No catching them now!
Yeah, the pass was bang on, and he just had to ensure he didn't stray offside. The finish was actually bang on too.
France totally rampant here. Upamecano. Has a shot! Varane concedes a free kick for that. Marco Verratti. Italy finding their passes. Corner given. Italy, corner number 2 then. Up to meet it! And that's past the post. Looking for the runner, and there's green grass ahead of him. Hernandez gets it back. Bernardeschi sends it forward. Oh, that's well spotted. Immobile.
There's nothing more infuriating for a fan than seeing passing without penetration. They're just stuck in a rut.
Moved on forwards. Out to the left it goes. Now it's Belotti. He's got the shot away! And he steered it beyond the post. And the return pass. Acerbi. And the number on the board is 3. Chiesa. Rabiot. And it's Benzema. Interesting ball. Added time is up, and there goes the whistle.